How to share without a password in Windows 11. Follow these steps. First, I create a new folder named Test. I will share this folder on the local network without a password. Inside the folder, I create a new text file. I allow others to edit this file from another computer. Next, I share this folder as follows. Right-click, Properties, Sharing, Advanced Sharing. Share this folder, Permissions. Share this folder to everyone. Full control, Apply. OK, Network path. Other computers on the network access the shared folder using this network path. Security. I allow everyone to edit the files in this folder. Everyone. Check names. Everyone. OK, everyone. Permissions for everyone. Full control. Everyone. Full control. OK. Next, set up no password sharing. Network. Turn on network discovery and file sharing. Network. Properties. Change advanced sharing settings. Private network. Enable network discovery. Enable file and printer sharing. All networks. Password protected sharing. Off. Disable password protected sharing. Next, enable guest account. Computer management. By default, the guest account is disabled. Local users and groups. Users. The guest account is automatically enabled when you disable password-protected sharing in the previous step. However, you still need to ensure the guest account does not have a password. Leave both the new password and confirm password fields blank. Next, set the network to private mode. You cannot share files or printers in public mode. I need to know the name of this computer to access the shared folder. Switch to private mode. Private network. Completed the file sharing setup on the computer named Desktop 1. Next, I access the folder sharing from another computer. Network. I can't see the computer named Desktop 1 over the network. Turn on network discovery and file sharing. I can see the computer named Desktop 1, but cannot access the shared folder. Follow these steps to access the shared folder. Set the network to private mode. Settings. Desktop 2. This is the name of this computer. Network and Internet. Public network. Switch to private network mode. Private network. Next step. Services. Find the following services. Function Discovery Provider, Host, running. Function Discovery Resource Publication, running. SSDP Discovery, running. UPnP Device Host, automatic. Start. Make sure the above services are running. Next step. Turn Windows features on or off. SMB 1.0. Install SMB 1.0. OK. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Next step. Edit group policy. You change some default settings as follows. These default settings prevent you from accessing shared folders on the local network. Computer configuration. Windows settings. Security settings. Local policies. Security options. In the right-hand window, select the item named Microsoft Network Client Digitally Sign Communications. Always. Disabled. Apply. Disabled. Administrative templates. Network. LAN-MAN workstations. Enable insecure guest logons. Enabled. Apply. Enabled. Time to check the results. Desktop 1. You can access the shared folder without a password. Thank you for watching. Please check out more printer sharing settings on this channel.